Bitcoin has been consolidating between $300 for the past 11 days, and today the US markets will open again for the first time after Christmas, and today most likely volatility will hit the US markets, and I will be exactly talking about where we could be heading towards on today's update video. I will be talking about some important trend lines I'm currently spotting here in the market. Of course, I will be going over the volume, what it means that probably will happen today, and much more will be discussed on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 300 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. Of course, initially looking at the imminent short term from Bitcoin, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is trading in a sideways market for quite a long time already. Of course, there's a lot of uncertainty on the market, and that is also the reason why we're almost not moving here. If I do open up the volume indicator, you can also see that the volume has been drying up on the Christmas weekend significantly, what basically means that it is extremely likely that we're expecting to see some volatility going in towards this week, because yes, usually once there's almost no volume, once Bitcoin going sideways for a long period of time, volatility tends to hit afterwards, and that is also what I'm currently looking at. We are spotting on the 1 hour time frame also a beautiful upward sloping support line and a potential resistance line here on the top side. You can better look at a box here. You can clearly see that this blue box right here around the 16.9k, basically on the top side of the 17,000 US dollars, is providing resistance every single time. And yet again, this is the level to look at. We're currently creating an ascending triangle. Yesterday I talked about this pattern that we were looking at, the symmetrical triangle, that it most likely was going to be a trap since the volume was extremely low, and like you can see currently we still move sideways. So yes, yesterday we indeed saw a trap. However, right now we are seeing a potential new pattern unfold, and that is of course an ascending triangle, and that will be also the pattern that I will be looking at right now here on the 4 hourly time frame. It is quite a beautiful pattern, and also if I do open up the Bollinger Bands, you can see that on the 4 hourly time frame the Bollinger Bands is extremely narrow, what also will mean that volatility will most certainly hit anytime soon. If you also open it up on the 8 hour time frame, you can see the Bollinger Bands is squeezing up, and also on the daily time frame everything is coming closer and closer, and is indicating and pointing just towards one direction, and that is that we will be having a massive market swing anytime soon. So that is also the thing that I will be looking out for. On the 4 hourly time frame, you can clearly see that the volume has been drying up here over the course of the past several days here right now. Of course, especially due to Christmas, volume tends to dry up here, but right now it's significantly low, what means that once we do get a volume spike, it could be quite a big move either up or down. And the thing to look at, in my opinion right now, is just to look at, okay, are we going to be breaking below the previous lows in the market? So are we going to be breaking below that red line here, or are we going to be breaking above the previous high? And that is, let me make it green for this time, are we going to be breaking above that green line, right? That green line is the previous high in the market that got us rejected. So that is really the thing to look at here. If we do break above the top side, I honestly think it is likely to see a continuation towards the upside. Do we break below the previous low in the market, it is likely to see a continuation towards the downside. So that is also exactly how I will be playing it. And if we do take out this high right here, somewhere around 16.9k with a 4 hourly candle close, I will scale up my Bitcoin long position. Currently, I am long with an approximately 108,000 US dollars. I am 1.6x leverage long on Bitcoin, and I'm planning to scale up this trade, whether we do break above $17,000 or whether we do break down towards levels of $14,000. Then I will also massively add more margin towards my trade. So whether we are going to be moving up or down, I have to take action with this trade. And if you are subscribed to the channel, you will be knowing exactly what I will be doing with this trade. I'm currently in a small little loss of 3% and approximately $2,000, but I believe that in the long run that this will be a profitable trade, and I will show you guys exactly how I will be trading this market, and I will exactly show you my trade in the coming days and weeks ahead of ourselves. So if you're also interested in trading, if you sign up an account using the link in the description, you can claim an additional deposit bonus. So make sure to check that out right now. And also, if I really look at the daily time frame, we can currently spot that the Bitcoin MACD is currently crossing bullish and confirmed the bullish crossover on the daily time frame, and that is historically a good signal for Bitcoin. The daily time frame still creating a falling wedge here, and the weekly time frame, guys, this is the very important one, still trading below the 1000 daily moving average. And the 1000 daily moving average, you already heard, is taking the last 1000 days for Bitcoin and the average price is basically the orange line you can see here, and currently the average price is somewhere around $30,000, what means that we're currently significantly are trading below the 1,000 daily average price for Bitcoin. And you can see that every single time once we're trading below this moving average, we tend to have a good buying opportunity, and this is currently the longest time we've ever traded below the 1,000 daily moving average, what means that this is, historically speaking, one of the more better buying opportunities you probably will have in the market. Of course, it's due to the fact that we're having a worldwide recession, but it doesn't take away that this is potentially a very good buying opportunity for the long run, and I currently approach it like that. If you did like the video, make sure to smash up the like button. It was once again a short video, but to be very honest, is there a lot of things happening? No. And once there really is something happening, I will try to jump live with you guys out there on the channel or make a video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel right now, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye.